Okay, Haley, keep looking. Mommy saw one over here. Keep looking.
What?
Keep looking. There it is.
Daddy, look at my cigar. I ate.
Cool, good job.
I didn't put my teeth back. I ate it.
Oops.
I got it.
Alright, Haley. Mommy thinks you should look next to Grandma's movies.
Okay. Where is it?
Grandma's movies. Oh, you found one.
It's a bunny on it.
Yeah?
It's a little bunny.
Alright, now I think you should look next to the puppy.
Okay. Where is the puppy?
Over there where it always is. The puppy.
Puppy! Hey! Come on, Mommy.
Now I think you should look next to the front door. Front door. Front.
What?
Front door.
Okay. One, two, 8.
Alright, I think that might be all of them. I think that's all of them.